UW Health SwedishAmerican Hospital in Rockford marked noon with its annual Dr. Henry C. Anderson Awards, honoring staff for excellence in patient care. MRI technologist Adrian Johnson and his team were recognized for their work handling rising MRI demand, supporting by faster new equipment that's improved scan time and patient flow. Johnson said the award came as a surprise and credited the team's focus on patients.
We've added new technologists to our team, and it's really helped. We work together as a cohesive team, so we've really strived to get patients in at a faster pace so they can get their tests done. That's the most important thing, I think.